Hello friends, you are most welcome in this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to restore a missing battery icon on Windows 10. So firstly, click right button of your mouse on taskbar. Now click on settings. Now click on turn system icon on or off. Navigate power and here you can do the on. Now you can see battery icon here. So by this simple method you can restore a missing battery icon in Windows 10. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know such videos for laptop device and Windows 10, so please subscribe this channel. We will update every day and we are coming with a new video every day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.